Hi guys, today we're going to start a new section called Leading Employees. Our objectives are to identify the qualities and skills of effective leadership and to explain the importance of teams in business. The key terms are shown that we're going to be going through in this section. And our essential question that we will be answering is how do effective leaders benefit a business? Leadership is the ability to influence others to reach a goal. Organizations count on their managers to show leadership qualities. Certain traits such as honesty, competence, self-confidence, communication skills, problem-solving skills, and dependability are examples of leadership characteristics. The ability to set goals, follow through on tasks, and be forward-thinking are also important leadership abilities. Every manager is different in his or her approach and style of leadership. To identify how managers view employees, American social psychologist Douglas McGregor developed two theories, Theory X and Theory Y. Theory X managers believe that employees dislike work and need close supervision in order to get their work done. As a result, Theory X managers maintain total control over the duties of employees. Theory Y managers believe that employees like to work and do not need close supervision to get their work done. According to this theory, workers have potential and are capable of self-direction. The research of William Ochi added another component to the Theory Y approach. In the 1980s, the productivity rate in the United States was much lower than that of Japan. Ochi compared the Japanese management style, which leans toward Theory Y, with the American management style. He developed Theory Z, which is a middle ground approach that includes characteristics of both the Japanese and American styles of management. According to Ochi, Theory Z managers believe that workers are motivated to work and can make sound decisions. This type of manager is more likely to act as coach and let workers make the most of decisions. A summary of theories X, Y, and Z is shown in figure 7.6. Being in a leadership position is not always an easy job. Some team members can be easy to work with, but others can be difficult. Leaders have to be able to work with different personalities and motivate the group to accomplish its goals. Each leader has his or her style or may develop a style based on the personalities of the team. Three common leadership styles are autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire. The autocratic leadership style describes a leader who maintains all of the power within a team. Autocratic managers tend to have Theory X attitudes. Other leaders use the democratic style. Democratic leadership style is one in which the leader shares decision-making with the group. Democratic leaders encourage other team members to participate in the leadership process. These managers tend to have Theory Y attitudes. The last common type of leadership is laissez-faire. Laissez-faire leadership style is a hands-off approach to leadership. This style leaves the decision-making to the group to decide and manage. Laissez-faire managers tend to have Theory Z attitudes. Successful leaders set clear goals. Goals focus on end result, not the ways to get to the result. For goals to be as effective as possible, they should be written as SMART goals. A SMART goal is one that is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely, as shown in the PowerPoint. Time management is the practice of organizing time and work tasks to increase personal efficiency. Goals are created to help optimize results. Goals are then broken down into manageable tasks. To manage several tasks at the same time, the tasks must be prioritized to determine which should be completed before others. Schedules must be followed and time must be used wisely. Personal information management is a system used to acquire, organize, maintain, retrieve, and use information. An example of a PIM management is Microsoft Outlook. This PIM allows users to keep schedules, record contact information, and complete other activities that help organize personal information. A schedule should identify all required tasks for completing a project or meeting goals. Interpersonal skills are skills that help people communicate and work well with each other. There are many interpersonal skills that can help a leader be effective. Critical thinking skills are the ability to analyze a situation, interpret information, and make reasonable decisions. Applying critical thinking skills as a leader can help the team problem solve in a more efficient manner. Verbal skills are the ability to communicate effectively using spoken or written words. Good verbal skills help leaders describe plans and procedures when writing or speaking to a team member. Nonverbal skills are the ability to communicate effectively using body language, eye contact, personal space, behavior, and attitude. Listening skills are the ability to hear what a person says and understand what is being said. Listening is required for all team members. Collaboration skills are skills that enable individuals to work with others to achieve a common goal. This includes sharing ideas and compromising for the greater good of the team. To compromise is to give up an individual idea or part of an idea so the group can come to a solution. Many businesses develop and organize teams within the company. A team is a group of 2 or more people working together to achieve a common goal. The term team and group are used interchangeably. Small businesses may only have 1 or 2 teams. Large organizations may have multiple teams. Teams can be physically located under one roof, or they may have members located around the country or around the world. By creating teams, individual roles in the organization can better become defined. Effective teams accomplish the defined goals. This happens only when the members are cooperative and focus on their assigned task. Effective team members contribute ideas and personal effort. Teamwork is the cooperative efforts by individual team members to achieve a goal. Team members are expected to be cooperative and work well with others. This includes individuals on their team and outside of the team. Successful team members are productive and work to achieve team goals. Individuals who contribute in a positive way demonstrate leadership qualities, even if they're not in a leadership goal. Group dynamics are the interacting forces within a group. This force includes attitudes, behaviors, and personalities of all team members. The dynamics of a team are made up of the attitudes of the members and how they interact with each other. Group dynamics can positively or negatively influence how a team reaches its goals. It can also influence a company's profitability. Every group faces conflict at some point when working as a team. However, conflict is not always negative. Creative solutions can result when team members disagree on a subject. Conflict is negative when it becomes destructive and stops the team from reaching its goals. When conflict arises, some team members show passive behavior. Passive behavior is accepting the things that happen without trying to change them. Other team members show aggressive behavior. Aggressive behavior is expressing individual needs with little interest in or respect to the needs of others. Still, other team members are assertive. Assertive behavior is expressing personal opinions while showing respect for others. The team leader and members are responsible for being proactive and monitoring conflicts that can potentially hold back the success of the team. Conflict management is the process of recognizing and resolving team disputes in a balanced and effective way. Negative conflicts can throw a group off course. When it is clear that a dispute is escalating, members should actively work to resolve the negative conflict.